Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. We're going to talk about, it's about that time of year when you're going to put your machine up and forget about it all winter. The next spring you go out, either it's not going to turn over, not going to start. I'm going to show you what to do so you know it'll start next time. Stick around. First off, your battery. These things go sit out in the shed or under the cover, in the garage, wherever you put it, and it's going to get cold and all this, and just sit and sit and sit. Worst thing in the world for it. Either disconnect it completely and put you a charger. I use these little NOCO chargers. No, I'm not sponsored by them. This one's a little 5 amp. You plug it up, forget it. You can get a 1 amp, a 2 amp, cheapy, anything. Hook it up to your battery, plug it in, and you can forget it. It'll keep that battery maintained for you all winter long. Now, the other thing you could do is disconnect your battery, take it out, take it in the house. That's temperature controlled. Sit it on your wife's nightstand. She'll love that. You better not. Next up, gas. This gas issue, so many people talk about this stuff. There's so many different things you can do. The fuel treatments, all kind of stuff. You got to do something. I mean, it can't hurt, work or don't work. You can use some Stay-Bill, some of it, I don't know, ethanol shield, any of those. There's a ton of them out there. Anything's better than nothing. I do recommend getting non-ethanol gas if it is available in your area. Now, the other thing, if you just do nothing and just go park it back there and just forget about it all winter, you're going to come back and you're going to be T-Bone. I need a carburetor. I tell you, one other thing you could do that end up like this, run it out of gas. Run it completely dry. Get everything out of it you can, whether you drain it out. The other thing, if you got a gas can, you might have a 5-gallon gas can that you had and you're not going to use it again until next spring. Go ahead and take that gas and pour it in your automobile or your pickup or something that you're going to be running through the winter. And at least that gas will be used, because you don't want that gas to sit all winter and then go expect it to be good, because it will lose octane over time. I don't know the technicals. I'm not a scientist, chemist, or whatever. I'm just a lawnmower man, that's all. I just know what I see all the time. And just go get rid of that gas, put it in something, run it and use it. And then next year when you get ready to fire it up, get you some fresh gas. And hopefully that'll help you out there. Now, you can do all this stuff and try to help yourself out like that. All these different things. I don't do any of this. With my equipment, nothing. I don't add any fuel stabilizer. I don't do any of this. You know what I do? I exercise. No, I don't exercise. You can tell because I'm fat. No, I exercise my equipment. I sit on it and ride. So I'll get out there and I'll crank my machine up. Go ride it around the yard or something. Crank it up outside. Don't do it inside. Crank it up outside. Let it sit out there and run a while. You want to exercise the equipment. What that's going to do is get the fuel that's in that bowl, is going to run it through, because this little bit of fuel will go bad quicker than that big amount that's in your fuel tank. And if you're doing it that way, I do recommend keeping your fuel tank full. And the reason for that is when it's low in the heat and cold and back and forth and morning and evening, whatever, it's going to get condensation in that tank. Plastic or metal, it does not matter. It's going to get condensation. Where does that condensation go? To the bottom. Water settles to the bottom. Where is it going to go after that? Straight to your carburetor. Then you're going to be back going, T-Bone, my stuff don't run. And then you're going to have water problems. So do those things. Try the exercise thing. That's what I do. Set a reminder. You got one of them cell phone things. Oh yeah, there's mine right there. I'm recording on it. Set your reminder every month or so, every 6 weeks or something. Just go out there and fire the machine up and run it. Drive it around. It'll be fun in the snow. Same thing applies if you got those snow blowers and stuff. It's just another engine, just like the rest of them during the summer. It do the same thing except the opposite season. But just put your equipment up, exercise it, try some of these tips. We hope some of this will help you guys out. Remember to click that subscribe button, leave us a thumbs up. We appreciate y'all watching. And remember, I'm T-Bone. Never fear, T-Bone is here. See you next time. Golly, I got a mess to clean up.